Lucy and Mike work together, and both use OX App Suite. Today, Lucy needs to send a confidential email to Mike, and will use OX Guard to do so. What she doesn't know is she will actually be using PGP. When Lucy and Mike first activated OX Guard, they didn't see that in the background they were both generated two kinds of security keys: a public key and a private key. Lucy's private key is her secret key that OX Guard keeps safe and hidden. This key is her master key that lets OX Guard unlock received messages that were encrypted using her public key. Her public key is used by others who want to send her an encrypted message. OX Guard gives this key out freely and to everyone. OX Guard even publishes it on the internet. Lucy's public key can only be used to encrypt things or verify her signature. It cannot be used to decrypt or open anything. That's why it's safe to give out to everyone. Because encrypting things with a public key is hard work for the computer and slows things down, OX Guard actually creates a third kind of key. This temporary key is called a session key and is much faster than the public key. OX Guard uses the session key to encrypt the whole email, including all attachments, even big ones like photos and videos. Using the session key is much faster than the public key and is just as safe. Now the question is how to pass the session key to the recipient. Easy. OX Guard encrypts the session key using the recipient's public key. As the session key is very small, this is very fast. The recipient now receives an email with two encrypted files. OX Guard first uses the recipient's private key to decrypt the session key. Once it has extracted the session key, it can use that session key to decrypt the actual email and all its attachments. Everything is fast, efficient, and very secure. Let's see all of this in action when Lucy writes a secure email to Mike using OX Guard. Lucy simply writes her email as usual and puts Mike on the to list. She then presses the Send Secure button. In the background, OX Guard generates a session key and encrypts the email and all its attachments. It then gets Mike's public key and uses it to encrypt the session key. This is all then put together in an email and sent to Mike. It is now safe from attacks or interception. OX Guard doesn't only encrypt the email, but can also validate it, making sure that it is both safe and tamper-proof. Now only Mike can get to the contents of the email and confirm it has not been tampered with. Notice that all the complexity of PGP and security as a whole is completely transparent to both Lucy and Mike. All Lucy did was press Send Secure, and Mike just read his email as usual. Neither Lucy or Mike needed to know about public keys, private keys, session keys, or certificates. It's so easy that people can actually use it. OX Guard with the new PGP features. Brought to you by OX.